Hello everyone. So in this video we will see about the extension files used in Revit. So here you can see that here I have written total 4 extension files. Basically these 4 extension files are most commonly used in Revit, right? So let's see one by one. Here you can see first one I have written Revit template file, and for Revit template file the we can see the .rte, the extension file. So basically this extension file .rte, right? This extension file used to start new project. So let's see in the Revit where it is. So first let me come on the basically on welcome page, on home basically we can say. This is the welcome screen of the Revit, right? So here when you click on the new, right? I just click on the new. Here you can see some from here you can just select the template, right? Let me click on this browse button. See here, I will just click on here, and here you can see number of templates. You can see here. So we have to check the type of this template. So basically you can see the Autodesk Revit template file. So basically these are the Revit template file. We have just in here Revit template files. So basically these template files are used to start any new project. So basically when so let me come at the back. Let me close this one. Now this one architect one. I'm just selecting this architect default metric, right? And what is metric and basically we can say we will see this one later, right? So let me as of now just select this template file and architect template file and just click on this OK. I'm just creating a new project, right? And just click on OK. Currently we have seen, right? This the file extension for this template is Autodesk Revit template, right? So these are Revit template file. Now I just open this. I'm just opening this file. It will take a little time. So currently, the files which are we have opened is Revit template file. But when I just save this file, then it will show save in Revit project file. Basically, when we are opening any file from RVT, then it is basically used to start new project. And when we have to save the project, then it will save in .rvt format, right? Let's see from here. So when I just wanted to save, uh, just save as in the project, right? Just click here. Now you can see the file extension is file of type project file RVT. So basically it will save in .rvt format. The external file is .rvt. So basically it will save in now it will save in now Revit project file. So basically, main project file that contain all the project data, including basically it will store all the data of the project. It's called as Revit project file. Right. Now we will move ahead and we will see about the what is RFT, Revit family template file. So let me show you what is this one. Let me click on this insert button. Right. We will see this thing in detail. What are these things? First, let me click on this load family, and from here I just go on UK. Let me click on this door option and external doors, and here you can see some of the extent of some of the files which are preloaded. Right, we just need to insert these files. So basically these are Revit family, Autodesk Revit families. You can see Autodesk Revit, sorry, these are the Revit family files. Basically, we have just seen this file. These are the basically Revit family files, right? And basically this one, Revit family file .rfa file. You can just get this file from the insert button. Basically, you just these are pre-loaded files. You just need to insert in your basically in your project. So now we will see what is RFT file. Basically, RFT for Revit family template file. Basically, it is used to create new family files component from the scratch. Similar to this one, just we have see this one. RTE, we can just select any template, existing template, which will available in RFT format. And when we will save this basically this file .rft, then it will save in .rfa format, similar to this one. Just we have seen this for a project file. So see from here, just come on the home page or welcome screen. From here, you can just create on this. Just click on the new button. See Revit family template files. We have seen here Revit family template files. So once you click here, you can just open it from here, any template, right? You can just browse it and open it. And when you basically just wanted to save this file, then it will save in .rfa format, right? So these are the basic things you just need to understand regarding the Revit extension file, which are most common used we will use in Revit.